Do you want to speak like a native? Speaking like a native isn't just about grammar. It's about sounding confident and natural. Here are some phrases that will help you do just that. How's it going? Instead of the formal how are you? I'm beat, a casual way to say I'm tired. What's the plan? A friendly way to ask about someone's plans. I'm so down, a fun way to say yes I'd love to. No worries, a relaxed response to an apology. You nailed it, a great compliment for a job well done. I'm just chilling instead of I'm relaxing. That's a bummer, a sympathetic way to respond to bad news. Let's touch base, a casual follow-up suggestion. Hit me up, a relaxed way to say contact me. What are your favorite native phrases? Let me know in the comments, and for more tips, check out my next video. Thanks for watching.